Hey, what's up, man? I'm sure some of you have seen this video. If you remember clear, I remember it was Tiamoshes, I think. Whereby Bravo B and this guy, the other guy is Makhekhe. Makhekhe and Bravo B, they were brothers, like I'm telling you. Like the way you see Ashay and Bravo B now, that was Makhekhe and Bravo B. And Makhekhe was there for Bravo B, the difficult time that they went through after what they said in the house. And now Bravo B is out, Makhekhe. It seems like he never met Bravo B yet. So he was just saying like how he feels about people who acting towards Bravo B. I'm not sure he's blaming Bravo B that, hey man, you've forgotten about me, I've been there for you, you know. Or he just blaming the others who like, oh, now I'm close to you, you know. So I hope Bravo B can make a plan to meet Makhekhe. Makhekhe loves Bravo B. Let's check this video out.
진짜 기판 촬영하면서 진짜 많이 been too second 진짜
now I can speak English.
Good morning, babe.
Yeah, good morning. Now I can say le para le fella.
I saw you teaching me how to sing.
When I'm saying, she said, boy, just go.
Guys, I just wanna ask this thing, Gucci. Like, I don't understand why Impilo can't do so. You know, man. Whenever you are down, whenever ngana nicks, whenever people are speaking you badly, people are never there for you. But as soon as uNkulunkulu avula ilight, these old people bebanga support ungana fokol ungana nicks ndoda. They wanna make like they are your brothers cause they are Zulus or no, I'm not describing any tribe, but boy, man, I just wanna tell you, where were these guys, man? You know them. Bebagupi ntwana. Bebagupi. No, don't allow it ntwana. Don't allow it. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu because whatever what I'm seeing, they were not there, these guys, man. They were not. Don't allow it ntwana. Noma ngaya down.